Hello everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
I'm Richard, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
This week's video, we're really excited to show you something. It has been a long time, but we're going to show you our logo coins.
All right, so there's a little story behind this. A lot of woodworkers and YouTubers we have found often collaborate together, and they also send each other stickers. And so you see a lot of these YouTubers that have awesome boards with stickers from all these other YouTube channels, and it's just so awesome to see. We really like the idea, but I've kind of been used to coins from a military background, and I've designed several coins over the years and had them made. And we thought, well, you know, I know everybody does stickers, but we thought it would be really cool to develop the logo into these coins. So we found a company, we worked with them. They actually were thrilled to work with us, and so they provided some discounts for us and helped us to make this. And so we were going to do a video, and as I was ready to make this video and post it out there, I came across a minor issue that we found on their website. They have these wonderful templates so that even if you don't know what type of logo you want to put on a coin, they have templates that you could use and you could just drop in the coin. One of the templates that they had was the Air Force emblem. And so I was like, oh, that's really cool. But before I make a video of a company that has the Air Force, that uses the Air Force emblem, I wanted to make sure that they had permission to use that. So I reached out to them and I asked them, and they said, unfortunately, they did not have that, but they're willing to try and get that. So I reached out to some Air Force websites and found some places where you can apply for this. Much to, how should we say, I'm impressed with the company. They actually, we all agreed to put a hold on the video until they got an opportunity to work with the Air Force. They went through the whole process that it takes to submit permission through the Air Force, and they were very patient about it. I guess they had quite a bit that they had to do, and they did get the permission to do so. Therefore, I'm okay with making a video showing that, hey, they have these templates that are copyrighted, but they have permissions for everyone to use that. So if this is something that when we're going to show you how we made these, you do see these templates, they have the permission to go ahead and do it legally. That spoke volumes to us, as you know, and that means a lot to us when we work with companies with such integrity. So we wanted to do this, but we couldn't do it until we got the permission, and now that we do, what we want to do is show you how we make these coins, and that for those of you who would also like to do similar things and maybe even do a coin swap with us, or if you have a sticker and just want to swap a sticker for a coin, we're okay with that as well. So we're going to show you step by step how you can do this through this website. So let's get into it.
We begin by accessing the site gs-jj.com. The company makes much more than coins. They also make medals, belt buckles, pins, etc. For this video, we're going to show you how to make challenge coins. Begin by clicking on the icon.
One of the awesome features that I like is that there is no minimum order. You can order as many as you want, or even just one.
You can customize military coins or choosing coins from the top-selling categories.
You can even ask them for assistance by submitting your idea and having them send you a rendered image.
In this case, we're going to create a custom challenge coin for our logo.
To customize the coin, you select the options from the left of the screen, and they will be reflected on the order on the right side of the screen.
You have a few choices. You can select coins with up to 4 colors on both sides, coins with one side up to 4 colors, or even a coin with no color.
Next, you can select the size of the coin. The next option is to select the thickness or the weight of the coin.
Next, you can select a 2D design on both sides, a 3D design on one side, or a 3D design on two sides. You are now presented with an option, either soft or hard enamel.
This was the difficult part for me because you have to choose a metal finish from several different nice options. The next choice to make is the custom edge you want to use on the coin.
Now that the coin design is finished, you can select your packaging option.
If you wish, you can have your coins sequentially numbered.
Now you choose your quantity of coin.
Here you can review your order and click Submit. You will be taken to the shopping cart where you can finalize your order.
If you don't have your own logo, use the free design and quote option. First, you will be presented with an overview of what to do. You can upload your picture, or in this case, select a template.
Choose from a category and select the coin you want. You can make changes to the image and save your design. Once you've created this new design, you could use that to create pins, coins, medals, belt buckles, patches, and more, as we mentioned earlier in the video.
And here's a better look at what we created. So next week's video, we are doing a project that we already made, but it will be version 2. So until then, bye-bye.